Hi guys, it's Nicole and welcome to the last and final episode of the moving series. This is my room tour. This is the episode everyone's been asking for, my finished room. Actually, correction, it's not totally finished. Like I said in the end of the last episode, I still have a bunch of things to add to my room, but this is how it is right now and I'm super happy with it. Before we get into it, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support you've been giving me on this series. It's been so much fun filming it and I'm so happy that I got to take you guys along. But today I'm going to be showing you guys all the different parts of my room. I'll try to find links to a bunch of things and put them in the description box, so if you guys see anything that you like, then you can check the links down below. But again, I just want to say thank you guys for all your support, and now let's get into my room tour.
Coley!
Welcome! So my mom is filming. Thank you, Mom. This is my new room. Okay, let's start over here. This is my dresser area and I'll show you guys everything that's on top. So first we have my jewelry organizer from HomeGoods. I actually got this yesterday and it's literally so nice. Before I had this like mannequin thing and it was super cute, but my jewelry would always get tangled. So I'm so happy that I found this. There's like 4 different tiers and it's so helpful. So like on this one, I have my bracelets, and then on these 3, I have my necklaces. And then next I have my I don't want to summon her. And then I have my little elephant that I got from India, which was back in 2017. Memories. Okay, on this side, as you guys can see, I try to keep it very minimal and like organized because I don't want too much clutter. But on this side, I have a few different things. So first I have like headbands and some bandanas. I have sunglasses, like all different kinds. And then I have these 3 like drawer thingies. I don't know where they're from because I got them a long time ago, but it's like these acrylic drawers and they're so helpful. I have my earrings, that's where I keep them, and then just like random stuff. And then on top I have this $1 plant thingy from Target that I got like 2 years ago. And then this little container that I have like a bunch of different hair things, so like rubber bands, these little hair clips. And then lastly, I have some shoelaces because I used to wear these like as belts. That was like a trend like a year ago, so I did that. I don't know, I just have them right here. And then my dresser is from IKEA. So this is the style Hemnes. I don't know how to pronounce that, it's like whatever, but Hemnes, it's a really nice dresser. This is the same one I had at the old house, we just transferred it here, but there's 8 different drawers. There's like 4 on top and then 4 on the bottom. And then we have my TV. So I did have this TV in my old room back at the old house, but I actually didn't use it because it was like connected to a computer or something, so I don't know, it just didn't work out. But we actually bought Amazon Fire Stick, and if you guys don't know what that is, basically there's like a bunch of different apps on there, so you can watch like Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime, like there's a bunch of things. So I'm super happy, and I've been watching Gossip Girl and Vampire Diaries, of course. I feel like we should add some like wall art here, maybe in the future. But on this side I have some jeans. I don't have space in my dresser yet. I'll probably clean out some stuff, but they're just there for now. And then we have my closet, and a lot of you guys might be confused and wondering like, why is it just out in the open? Because it's literally not even covered at all. And to answer your question, we're getting the mirror doors, but that's gonna be installed in like 2 weeks or so. So like, I just don't have them right now. So it's just out in the open, which I'm not really mad about because it looks fine. But up here I have some of my bags, and then I have my clothes, of course. It's color coded. Down here we have these 3 drawers that I took from the old house. I just have some extra clothes, and like I have like books in here too. You see that? And my camera equipment. And then over here I have my nail polish. These are all oh my god. These are all my colors. I just painted my nails red yesterday. I just keep them in there because I don't really want to mount them on the wall. I don't know why. And then I have more bags. Oh, that's my school dance team. And then camera equipment over here. All right, moving on. Then we go into my desk section, or like kind of my vanity getting ready section. Okay, I'm gonna take a seat. This chair, oh, we don't know where this chair is from, huh?
No.
I actually got this from a shoot, so sorry, I don't know where this is from. But I have this fall blanket from Target that I got like in October. We have this little shine bright heart type thing, and there's like, what are these called? Clothespins. These clothespin thingies, and I have cards that I've gotten from PR packages. Where is this from? Home?
I don't remember.
I don't remember either. And then down here we have my school backpack. I just keep it right here so it's like easy to get to. I have this little basket thing with a bunch of different books. So I have like textbooks, some reading books, just random. And then I have this lamp that my mom got for me. Where's it from? Target. It's beautiful. Do you see this? And then you just turn it on. Hold on. Like that. I really like it. So now we have my desk. This mirror is from IKEA. It's this like huge circle one and it's like this light tan color. I really like it. It's obviously really big and it just shows my whole room. And then we have all the things that are on top of my desk. So I have my Tombow brush pens, this little fountain pen that I haven't really used, some colored pencils. They're scented. They smell so good. And then I have this little container with more pens. I have some tape, scissors, pencils, and a ruler, and I have this Glossier sticker that I stuck on there. I have this stapler and some tape. These two drawers are from IKEA. I mean, not IKEA. These are from Amazon, and I'll try to link them down below. But I labeled it with my label maker, and I just organized it by like pens, expo markers, highlighters, just different things. I keep my laptop right here because this is where I mostly work, you know, do school, edit, all those things. And then on top of these drawers, I have some blue light glasses. These are from Princess Polly, just some pink ones and then some tan ones. And then lastly, some post-it notes. And that's everything on top of my desk. Inside, we have some random things, more pens, this like notebook thing, editing equipment, and this mouse. By the way, my desk is from Amazon, which will be linked down below. Next we have my makeup drawers. These are from IKEA. I also had this back at the old house. This is where I keep all of my, oh, this is random stuff, but, oh, that's messy. Hold on. Let me show you like a nice drawer. Okay, yeah, I organize my makeup like this. I have like acrylic containers, but then some of them are kind of just, yeah. But these are called the IKEA Alex 9 drawers. They're so helpful, and like I just remember beauty gurus always having these, so I got this like maybe in 2018. And then on top I have a bunch of different things like makeup brushes. I have some perfumes, a body mist, tweezers, I don't know, a mirror. That is this area. Okay, moving on to my bed. Oh, I would also like to mention the windows in my room. That's something I really like about this house, is that it came with really big windows. So I have this one up here. The lighting might be weird, but I have this one right here and then this one on top of my bed. Now moving on to my bed. So a lot of you guys were asking where my headboard is from. My bed frame is from Target. It looks like this. I know you can't really see it because of all my pillows, but I literally love my bed so much. It's so comfortable and I have such a hard time getting out of bed in the morning. Oh, this is a queen bed, by the way, which is really funny because at the old house I had a twin. So like going from a twin to a queen, I don't know. Pillow time. So these white pillows are from IKEA, and then I have my silk sheets pillows. I got these silk sheets from Amazon. My mom doesn't really like them because it's kind of slippery, but it's very nice in my opinion. And then I have my fall pillows that I got from Target like in October. I just have this leaf one, this yellow one, and then this one that's so grateful. And then last type of like pillow thing, I have this little plushie that I got from one of my supporters in the Philippines. There's also a gray one, but I think it's downstairs. But I literally love these things. They're so freaking comfy. Moving on to my cow blanket. A lot of you guys were asking where this is from as well. My grandma got it for me from Sam's Club. It's so soft, and Sadie loves this blanket. I always find her like laying on top of it. And then we have this quilt that my mom got for me from Target, right? It's like this burnt orange brown color, but it's super soft as well. And then under it I have a comforter. It's just white, but I think my mom bought me some new ones, so those will be coming in soon. Okay, and that's basically my bed. I kind of want to add LEDs, like LED lights around it, but that'll probably be a future thing. Then we go over here to my nightstand. So this is from IKEA as well. It's the same style as my dresser, like the hemness style. It's just this 2-drawer chest, and I didn't have a nightstand back at my old house. I used this like chair thingy, and it like wasn't really a nightstand, but this is super nice. I have this lamp. Where's this from? I don't know where it's from. It just looks like this. Okay, and then other things on here, I have my Canon G7X camera. This is just another camera that I use other than my M50, which I'm currently filming on. I have my skylight, which I will talk about later, and then my phone, iPad, AirPods, and then inside, I have a bunch of random stuff. First drawer, I have 3 LED light remotes. Don't ask me why, because I don't know. I have my remote to my TV, this portable charger that to be honest, isn't really that good because it'll only charge like 25%. I have a lip balm, some gum, camera battery chargers, my Canon Ivy Click, let's see, some like wires. And then under here, I have some candy. I saw a comment saying like, oh, you should buy like chocolate and candy for your drawers. And that is such a great idea. So I'm gonna stock up. And then I have like random lanyards that I think I might pin on my wall. Then we stand back up. I have my Kindness Matters tapestry. I got this from Urban Outfitters. I think it's just like super cute and just a small little wall decor. Then we have my photo wall. So I set this up in my last video for my room decorating video. But basically I use my Canon Ivy Click to print my photos and then I just stuck them on this corkboard, which was my mom's idea. So thanks, Mom. And I think it's super cute. I'm gonna slowly fill it up because it's like 3/4 done. I just gotta print more photos. Then we have this wall. Or no, it's a door. This is my door to the bathroom actually. I have a Jack and Jill bathroom with my parents, meaning that my room's right here. We have the bathroom in the middle and then my parents' room is on the left side. We got this done and I think it looks really good. I don't think I'll add anything. I know, I just like the white, you know? Then we have this wall. I currently do not have anything on it. Like I said, my room's not finished, so this would be something that I would add stuff on. Maybe like more wall art, I don't know. We're still deciding. And then, as you guys can see on the top of my room, I have LED lights and my dad installed these all around my room and I think they look really good. He even did like the and my room literally looks so cool when I have my LED lights and then the skylights on at nighttime. So I'll show you guys a clip of that right now and how it looks like.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide.
And that's the end of my room tour. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this moving series. Again, just thank you for your support and love. I couldn't have done any of this without you guys, so I love you all so much. Make sure to like this video, go comment on my community tab, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Stay positive. Bye! Get your Nicole merch link down below.